My name is Siti Stari,
And my name is Aulia Azahra.
and we are from
Senior High School Number 1, Palembang.
In this video, we are going to present about our research entitled Augmented Reality on Spatial Capabilities in Determining the Angles of Flat-Side Spaces via GeoGebra.
The first one is introduction. Augmented reality in education has not been implemented and applied as a supporting media for interactive education in school because no educational institutions have implemented it as a mandatory media that functions as a learning tool. The principle of augmented reality can help students learn three-dimensional concepts where they do not have to draw in two dimensions or imagine anymore, but they can see it directly to make learning more effective. Therefore, researchers want to prove the validity, practicality, and effectiveness of GeoGebra AR on students' spatial abilities in determining the angles of flat-side geometry.
This research was carried out using quantitative descriptive methods. The topic is the angle between line and the plane. The research subject is one of 12th grade class, and at the data analysis stage, researchers used Tesmer Evaluation 1993, which consists of self-evaluation, expert review by calculating expert validation result, one-to-one by analyzing the questionnaires, small group by calculating the questionnaires value conversion, and field test by finding the reliability interpretation.
1. Self-evaluation. This stage is the first step to analyzing the shortcomings of AR technology in the GeoGebra applications. Then, the researchers discovered a drawback, namely that to produce AR, the surface had to be really flat. Therefore, when using AR, you must hold the camera at a flat surface.
And the second one, at the expert review stage. The research instruments are scrutinized, assessed, and evaluated by experts. These experts examine content and language of each instrument, and then suggestions from experts are used to develop devices. It can be seen from the table that has been displayed. The assessment result from media expert overall reached 93%. If the percentage obtained reached 81% to 100%, then the Philip chart media is categorized as very valid.
The third one is one-to-one stage. At the one-to-one stage, researchers tested AR technology on 3 students with the lowest, medium, and highest qualifications, based on the Tesmer 1998. The students have different ability levels from the sample class. The results of these implementations are used to improve the way it is implemented for students. Results of interviews with 3 students in one-to-one trials out of 13 questions for each student's questions, 82.7% of the answers were yes, and 17.93% of the answers were no. Based on the test result, it can be concluded that the AR GeoGebra used is practical.
By looking at the result from one-to-one and expert review, this result can be used as a guide for testing AR. The small group stage was carried out on 12 students, not including students who had taken the one-to-one test. They consist of 4 students with the lowest score, and 4 students with the medium score, and 4 students with the highest score. Based on the result of a questionnaire test on a small group, a result of 0.80 was obtained, which showed that AR GeoGebra is very practical to use.
5 is field test. The revised results were tested on research subject, in this case as a field test. The criteria for a reliable value is when Cronbach's alpha value is more than 0.6. Based on the reliability test using SPSS of 33 students before and after using AR, the test results were obtained at 0.857, as we can see on the table, and it can be concluded that AR GeoGebra is reliable.
Based on the research that has been carried out, it is concluded that augmented reality technology is suitable for use to develop students' spatial capabilities to determine angles in flat-side space. Augmented reality technology has a positive influence on students who have difficulty imagining angles in a flat-side space. The research proved that the validity, practicality, and effectiveness of GeoGebra augmented reality on students' spatial capabilities in determining the angle of flat-side space. For future research, the researchers is interested in implementing augmented reality to determine the angle between 2 planes.
Here are the references that we use in our research. That's all from us. Thank you.